Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over finalizing the suspension before it gets sent out for plating. Here I'm welding on little support straps that the Lotus drawing calls for. I'll show you here in a moment on a rocker arm what the strap looks like and how I made it. So right there it's called a squish box. It's literally a steel box filled with rubber, and I'm pressing a piece I welded together to bend the sheet metal into a rough shape of what I need it for. There's just another piece I can weld on to gain a little bit of strength there. Round all the edges off, take the burrs off. That's what it looks like. And it's ready to weld on. Once I get everything clamped in place, I'll run a few little welds on it, make sure it doesn't move anywhere. And then a couple spots where it didn't quite take shape in the squish box, I'll come over with a small ball peen hammer and just kind of tap it into place. Finish welding it up, and that's it. I'll have to do that on all the suspension pieces, and then they are finally done and they will go off to get plated. I'll see you guys next time.